everyone, this is Laura, and I'm going to show you how you can modify this Seesaw Kinder lesson and make it your own, including your own voice. After you add the Seesaw activity to your library by clicking on the heart, before you assign it, you're going to go to the three dots right here and click on copy and edit. And right here it says add voice instructions. So you're literally just going to read what you see up here. So as an example, I'm going to say, hi students, today we're going to learn how to make and order numbers in the teens. First, click on the add button. Then click on the link to listen to the book Freight Train. Listen to the directions on each page and complete the activities. Click check when you are finished. Okay, so it processed, and now I have little instructions. Hi students, today we're going to learn how to make and order numbers. Okay, so that part is easy, but you also want to add your instructions down here on the template, and this is the part that they're actually going to be working on. So if I click on it, I see over here that I have 3 pages in this particular lesson. Now, this is a lot of text right here, but basically you are doing your direct teach, only you're just doing it digitally. So we're going to add a video recording of you reading this. However, you can change this if you want. Now, I have locked down all of these shapes so that they aren't moving. So if you want to change the words themselves, you'll need to click on it, click on the 3 dots, and then unlock it. Now I have an editable text box where I can change my script, and you can put whatever you want. This is just a suggestion. So to record yourself reading on it, just click on the little quotation marks down here at the bottom, and you can add word captions, but here we're going to add a voice caption, and I'm literally going to read off the screen. Do you think they hook the cars on the train up in a certain order? I bet they do. I know that the caboose is always last. I bet there are certain cars that have to go in certain spot on the train. That makes me think of our math lesson, and so on and so on. You get the idea. So I'm going to click on done. And now I have a recording to go along with my caption. Okay, so I click out of it. You'll notice that now the caption is blue. So this is where they're going to go to read their instructions. And like I said, their instructions are really more of a direct teach because you're not in front of the classroom actually teaching right now. So I'm going to repeat this process on all of the slides. So again, actually, let me go back. There is some interactivity on this, and they are going to take the little freight cars and then put the orders in number from smallest to largest. So they literally just click and drag and drop. Very easy. This can be done very easily on a computer, or it can also be done on an iPad. Super easy. So then they go to the next slide, and we're going to record our voice instructions again. Add voice caption. How would a total of 6 look like in a 10 frame? Use the dots to fill in the 6 squares. What do you notice about the highlighted numbers on this number line? Use the microphone to record your answer. Okay, so I'm click on done. I've got my instructions. Now what the kids have to do is click and drag the dots because they are making the number 6 in a number frame. And they're looking at these numbers on a number line, and we want them to notice that there are 2 digits here and that each of these digits begins with the number 1. Because they all include a 10. So now we're going to go over to the next slide. And again, you can record yourself by going to the caption, clicking on the record button. That's right, each number had 2 digits and they begin with a 1. So now they're going to build the number 15. So they have to click and drag all of these numbers in order on the number line. And then they have to represent the same number using the 10 frames. When they're finished, they click on the check mark. Or when you're finished, you click on the check mark. Click on save. And now you are ready to assign this to your class. So I'm going to click on the Assign button, and I'm going to assign it to my class. Click on Assign to One Class. And there we go.